Welcome to the new trading series of 0.1 Bitcoin to 1 whole Bitcoin. In this video, we're going to go over what exchange I'll be using in this challenge, the rules of the challenge, and my plans moving forward. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm on a journey to 10K a month of passive income, and I want you to join me on this journey. Let's go. So in this challenge, we're going to be using Bittrex since I don't already have a portfolio over there, and since it will be easier to keep track of this challenge this way. Here are the 2 rules of the challenge. No extra money can be added to this exchange at any point. Trades can only be made between Bitcoin and altcoins. No Bitcoin versus USD or altcoins versus USD. The cool thing about this challenge and what it will show is how you can grow a portfolio without the risk of getting out of the market by going to USD. Trading against Bitcoin is one of my favorite things, and it is the best way to trade, especially in a bear market. If you want to follow my trades and join me on this journey, check out my Patreon down below. I post all my trades there and any additional content multiple times a day. I will be posting all these trades for this challenge, trades for the 1K to 10K challenge, and any trades I do for my portfolio. Now we're going to look on Bittrex. Spoiler alert, I already bought into positions before I recorded this video because I was so excited for this challenge and I wanted to get started right away. So here are my positions right now. I'm currently holding REP, NMR, LRC, GLM, ATOM, and CRW. I have about 0.044 Bitcoin currently as well, and my goal is to always have some Bitcoin set aside, especially at times like this when Bitcoin is doing well and some alts are hurting. Moving forward, I can see Bitcoin breaking to new all-time highs, leaving alts behind for a period of time, and then for a period of time, and that will be the optimal time to buy more alts with the Bitcoin. I will be trading aggressively and shooting for 10 to 20% gains with most of the alts I'm holding. Here on Bittrex, you can see these big wicks, which typically means that there's not a lot of volume in the coin, so it's more volatile. It also means there's not a lot of buying or selling pressure until this point. I will be placing orders close to those wicks to try and catch the next one. Okay, so we're on my Bittrex right here, and the cool thing about Bittrex is you can see where you have sells at, and you can also see where your buys were hit. So you can see this little blue triangle right here, that's where my buy was hit, and then I have a sell order right here based off of these wicks. This is on the 4-hourly chart, so there's these wicks that go all the way up to 1240 satoshis, 1230, 1236. This one went up to 1164 and 1270. So based off of that, I wanted to put it at the lowest point, which is 1160. So I have my sell at 1157 satoshis, so a little bit below that. And if you zoom out even more, I have another order. So if I change this to the 2-day chart, or even probably the 1 day, so you can see I have an order right here at almost the peak where it peaked at 1560 satoshis. So my order is at 1483 satoshis. Now let's look at another one. Here you can see my sells. I bought right here at about 83,000 satoshis, and my first sell is at 92,000, about a 10% gain. Then my next sell, there's this wick that goes all the way up to about 1100, so I have it a little bit lower at about 110,000 satoshis, and I have my order at 107,000 basically. And so I'm trying to catch these wicks. If we zoom out a little bit more, you can see there's even more wicks. Like this wick went all the way up to almost 1400. There's a few that went up to about 105,000. So I could even put an order at one of these higher prices and see if it'll hit. So that's the plan with these, is I want to buy at these lower prices and then try to catch these wicks for a 20%, 30% gain and really add on to the portfolio. If you want to check out these trades and follow my trades, just check out my Patreon down below. And then something I'm currently working on is I'm creating a 5-day challenge for you guys. And it's basically a free mini course that will take 5 days, and each day you will learn a new subject and have some homework to do. This is for all of you that want to be a better crypto trader / investor. And what are the things that you guys need help with the most? I want to build it based on what you guys need. One of the most common questions that I get is, when are the best times to buy and when are the best times to sell? And so that could be one of the topics that we talk about, but what are other things that you guys struggle with? Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you're interested in and what things you'd like to see in that 5-day challenge. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop a like down below. If you're loving these trading series videos, go check out my 1K to 10K challenge if you haven't watched it already. And thank you so much for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.